Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On this video we're going to make a drink called the Elderflower Plump, right? It incorporates Scoville jalapeno infused vodka, which is a nice little spice, right? So it's a good vodka if you like spicy cocktails. This is a good vodka to use, right? If you can find it in your areas, right? I know the owner. Really good guy, veteran. But anyway, let's get started, right? So, almost dropped that. First thing first. We're going to go 2 ounces of our Scoville vodka. They also got a habanero one. I haven't been able to find it yet, but I'm going on a mission to find it. You got to support the people that you know, right? Anyway, next we're going to go half an ounce of dry vermouth. A little too much. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of our elderflower liqueur. Just half an ounce. Next, we're going to go with half an ounce of lime juice. Had a brain freeze. So if you hear some sweet jazz in the background, it's my neighbors, right? So just so you know, lovely people. So got a little easy listening jazz in the background. Last, we're going to do a dash of an orange bitter, just a dash. Add some ice. Give this a good stir. You can smell that jalapeno vodka. You can smell it, right? I can't wait because I like spicy. And I think elderflower liqueur is a really unique and wonderful addition to any drink. Let's go Coupe glass for this. And there you have it, an elderflower plump cocktail. The spiciness, right? You get it. The elderflowers, the background, the lemon, the lime juice, perfect. Really enjoy this. This is a really good cocktail. This would be something that would make for guests, right? It's one of those surprise things. You just, hey, try this, Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.